Optionality for me is important, but another factor that I deem important is, let's call it, having a comprehensive view of the work. So when I was in consulting, it was very important, the commercial aspect, the strategy, and so on. But I was missing the financial analysis, being closer to the market, the transactional aspect. And here I'm gaining that aspect as well, which I believe create a more comprehensive individual. So I see, for instance, nowadays that when I deal with analysts, I have to, they're very, very fast. They're great executors, but sometimes they do miss the big picture. Yeah. Whereas where I was in consulting, it was the other way around. Maybe they are too such a brainstormer, but they miss the very important detail, which to them is not obvious.